To fix location restrictions on Walmart, start by opening the Walmart app, which will display the homepage. From there, open the cart option and proceed to checkout with the added products. Enter all the necessary information, including delivery instructions and location, and save the cart. If a notification appears stating that the location has restrictions, it may be due to the location being too rural for door-to-door delivery. In this case, consider using a nearby location that is more accessible for delivery. Alternatively, the issue may be due to discrepancies in the provided information, which can also lead to location restrictions. To resolve this, try using a different location that is recognized by other delivery platforms. By doing so, you should be able to bypass the location restrictions and complete your order.